Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install and style your lace front wig. This wig is from Mychicwigs and it's very lovely. You guys can tell already how the hair looks on my head. The wig comes with a cap, a comb, an elastic band, and the leaflet of how to take care of your hair, and it also comes with 2 clips. In actual fact, it contains every necessary things that you need to use to install your hair without reaching out for anything else. You guys can tell the hair looks so beautiful and very soft. The cap actually is a front lace wig. It has 3 combs on the top and 1 at the back, 2 at the sides and 1 at the middle. And guess what? The cap has already been bleached, so there's no need for you to bleach the knots again. And again, I had to apply the elastic band because I was going to show you guys how to do the elastic band method. You can tell I actually added the elastic band just a few inches away from the first comb, and I did the same thing on the other side. This is to secure the lace wig in case you don't want to use glue or gel or anything at all on the head. And next I applied, I sprayed water on the hair just to be sure if there's any need for me to pluck the hair or not, but there was no need for that, so I just decided to go ahead and apply the wig on my head. I applied the stocking cap on my head and sprayed the got2b glue on my hair and the blasting spray as well. So I cut all the excess cap off my head using the scissors, obviously. And I did the same thing at the back of my head as well. I applied powder on my cap to give the part more natural look. Then I wore the lace wig and I cut the lace at the front and at the back with scissors. So the hair is laid flat, nice and secured, but because both of my hair sides do lift, probably because I have natural hair on that area, so sometimes my lace wig lifts, so I decided to apply a tiny bitty bit of got2b blasting spray on both sides. You can decide not to do that, but for me, my natural hair is always, lifting the lace cap on that area, so I decided to lay that flat with a blasting spray by got2b. This step is not necessary, but I just decided to do it anyways, But other than that, the elastic band is enough to secure the wig, but on my hair side, I just decided to lay it more flat with the got2b blasting spray, which I also dried up with the air dryer. Apart from that, you're done and you're ready to style your hair. I decided to apply this scarf to lay the hair more flat, and I left that on for about 10 minutes. Then after that, I took off the scarf and I styled the hair and we're good to go. So that's what the hair looks like, and I decided to spray water and apply oil on the hair, to style it. Not a lot though, I just applied a little bit because the hair is really curly and very soft, so you don't have to do much. Then I pat the hair, and as you guys can tell, it looks really natural, but I decided to go over it again with powder. You can tell the difference from the front and the back while I pat the hair anyway, but it's left to you what you really want to do. If you want to pat it like that, it's fine, you're good to go, but if not, that's also perfect. guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this seamless beautiful hairstyle. The hair is actually by Mychicwigs. I unboxed the wig for you guys in the beginning of the video. The hair is really nice and very soft. It doesn't tangle or shed by any means throughout that I've been running my hands through it. The amazing thing about this wig is the fact that there is no need for you to stress about it. Bring it out of the box and wear it on your head. It's as simple as that. The wig actually comes with an elastic band, so in case you don't want to use a gel or you don't want to use any glue on your head, then you might as well just attach the elastic band on the wig. I actually showed you guys how I attached the elastic band on this particular wig. Another option for you to install the wig without glue or gel. Another thing I really like about this hair is the fact that the wig has already been pre-plucked straight from the box, so there's no need for you to do anything at all. Another thing that I really like about this wig is the fact that it's very soft and it's tangle free. It does not shed by any means, and the most interesting part of this wig is the fact that it comes with a cap. It comes with everything that you need to install the hair without having to reach out for anything else. It comes with a tail comb, it comes with a nude cap, and it also comes with an elastic band in case you want to install the wig without having to, you know, reach out for anything else. So everything you need to install the wig is actually included in the box. Another thing I like about this wig is the fact that it's true to length. This is where the length of the hair got to, and you can see how coily it is. The coil is still bouncy and really nice, and you can tell that it's not shedding at all. Quite affordable, and it's very easy to install. Important feature of this hair is the fact that you can already tell it's a quality hair because it felt really soft and it's very full. I'm going to put the details of the hair in the description box below. I quite like the fact that it's very full and the lace has been bleached, so it makes the hair looks even more natural, invisible on the skin, so you can hardly tell where the lace started or where it ended on my forehead. That's the most interesting part of this wig that I really like a lot. And I also like the fact that there's no need for me to stress, you know, at all. I didn't really do much apart from applying the elastic band. I'm quite a big fan of the hair. I would definitely recommend it for you guys to check them out. Mychicwigs has different types of wigs. They have bundles, they have wigs, they have straight hairs, they have, you know, body waves. It's of hairstyle in case you really don't like deep wave, or you want to go for straight, or you want to go for coily. They have all types of hair to choose. You've got all options to choose from. So definitely be rocking this soon. I really like the hair and I would definitely recommend it, especially based on the fact that I don't really need to do anything, like guys, anything at all. Straight from the box, apply it on your hair and you're good to go. That's my thoughts about the hair. I really like it, and I would definitely recommend for you guys to check them out. And if you're interested in getting any of their hair, feel free to use my coupon code in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.